Serena Williams and her daughters Olympia and Adira made a splash at Taylor Swift's Eras Tour in Miami, sharing rare and heartwarming snaps from their fun-filled night. The tennis icon and her family joined the Swiftie frenzy in style, giving fans a sweet glimpse into their special outing. Over the weekend, Serena Williams and her daughters, Alexis Olympia, 7, and 14-month-old Adira River, enjoyed a mother-daughter night out at Taylor Swift's concert in Miami's Hard Rock Stadium. The tennis legend, 43, shared a rare set of photos with her children as they prepared for the event, offering a precious glimpse into their close bond. Dressed for comfort and style, Williams stunned in a black mini dress paired with sheer sleeves and casual black sneakers, letting her long waves of highlighted hair fall naturally around her shoulders. With minimal yet elegant makeup and a soft red lip, Serena was the epitome of chic mom on the go, while cradling baby Adira, who looked adorable in a long-sleeve white t-shirt, denim shorts, and tiny white high tops. Olympia, however, stole the show with her sparkly, Swift-inspired outfit. The 7-year-old channeled her inner pop star, donning pastel pink pants tucked into silver boots, a nod to Taylor's signature glittery outfits from the Lover era. Her dark braids were tied into a high ponytail, completing her look with youthful energy. Both Olympia and her mom embraced the Swiftie spirit by accessorizing with colorful beaded friendship bracelets, a fan tradition at Taylor Swift's concerts. The excitement and love between the three shone brightly in the snaps Serena shared on Instagram, where fans couldn't help but gush over the adorable trio. In addition to the pre-concert photos, Williams posted a playful video from her closet, where she was seen struggling to choose an outfit for the event while Taylor Swift's You Belong With Me played in the background. The tennis star, who is also the founder of WYN Beauty and head of Serena Ventures, eventually made her decision and shared footage from the concert, joyfully bouncing to Swift's performance on stage. "Oh, just a casual Swiftie over here, maybe not so casual," Serena wrote, embracing her inner fangirl as she danced in the crowd. The mother-daughter evening was a clear hit with Serena's followers, many of whom expressed excitement over the family's sweet moment together. Comments poured in praising the tennis legend for her stylish look and expressing amazement at how quickly Olympia and Adira were growing up. One fan even commented, "A Swiftie concert is the happiest place on earth," capturing the universal joy that Swift's concerts bring to her audience. Serena Williams and her daughter's unforgettable night at Taylor Swift's concert not only showcased their strong family bond but also highlighted how even global icons like Williams can embrace their inner fan. The evening was filled with love, laughter, and a bit of sparkle as Serena and her girls danced along with thousands of other Swifties. It was a rare and precious glimpse into the off-court life of one of the greatest athletes of all time, one filled with heart, fun, and family.